Welcome to Hannah and Eileen Happy World. Today we are making almond cookies. You need 300 grams of flour and then we sieve it. 50 grams of castor sugar. Put it in. Nice. Now we need 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we put 1.5 inside. Now we need 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we need a pinch of salt. Okay. Pour in. We're going to mix it. No, it's something you can't see anything, just white. I can't even see anything. Add in our almond milk. Add in everything. Now we whisk it. Until you can't even see the almond wax. Actually, if you want the almond to be nice and soft, you can sieve it. Now we need
50 grams of oil,
150 grams of
but we're gonna pour it slowly, and then we stir it to make it a dough.
but non-sticky.
Yeah.
It's just like Play-Doh. We need to pour in little by little. And Mom is happy.
Yeah, little by little,
Texture.
just like this. You can use your hands to form a dough.
Yeah. Non-sticky dough. Oh. My dough is formed. We preheat the oven for 180
Celsius.
Now we prepare the baking pan. If you don't have this, you can use baking paper.
Like us.
We need 1 egg yolk.
Crack the egg in a bowl.
Our egg was ready. We roll it into a ball and then we press it like 2 fingers like that.
Yes,
And
and
then we
then
put the egg wash.
not too much, yeah. Okay, next one. Little be golden brown. Top, yes.
We're doing a lot.
You're using only the egg yolk.
Yeah. Last week we made the spoon. We used the whole egg.
Yeah.
And
look who's here. Hi, Elisa. Hi, Ellie. What are you doing? Hi.
She's a bit.
She just woke up from a nap.
Yeah, that's why she's not really grown up yet.
Very good. Looks good. After this, we're gonna put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. We will need to check on the color,
Yeah.
and it's for 180 Celsius.
You need to
You
be
really-
golden brown, not like
Not pale.
fair.
Very nice.
Just in case my
Yeah. Put it evenly. First batch, second batch we added nuts, and the third batch we make it smaller, cuter.
time to eat. Yummy. Please subscribe here for my latest video. Bye.
And don't forget to keep in the airtight container.